Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Kez here. Welcome if you're new. Wow, my lips are ashy. But I'm about to go get my makeup done by Tony Ann. She's an awesome makeup artist that I actually met back in October around Gen Beauty time, and she asked me to be a model for her, so I was like, yeah, of course. I love getting my makeup done by other people because you kind of see what others see on your face, because I'm just used to my face, obviously. But when other people do it, it's like, oh, that's what you do. Okay, that's cool. I like that. So this is the before, just in case I don't film it. This is how I look. You guys obviously have seen my face bare quite a bit this year. So yeah, I'm excited. I'm gonna leave right now. It's a nice day. So yeah, let's go about this day, y'all. Hey guys, this is Tony and she's about to slay my face.
I mean, I don't have to do much. She's so gorgeous.
Thank you. So she first of all, loving the blonde. Yes, honey. She already prepped my skin.
Yeah, so now we're gonna actually color correct a little bit, and then we're gonna go in with foundation.
I'm excited. You guys will see the final look, of course. So
light color correcting. So we're just lightly color correcting because, you know, women of color, we do have hyperpigmentation. Right, we're colored. So I'm just adding a bit of orange corrector around the mouth because it tends to get a little bit ashy looking at times. Yeah. So just neutralizing the tone, and then we can go in with foundation.
So far we have
our base on, so now we're just setting. And I like to apply highlighters and blushes on wet skin. So there's no powder on her face, and we're going in, turn to me, with a bit of highlighter and blush.
Wow, I never heard of that before.
It accentuates it and looks really glowy, as if I put a lot and I only use just a small amount. So that's a tip.
Oh, okay, we learned this today, honey.
So we're setting on wet skin.
Look at that, I am glowing.
And it's just the bare minimum.
What did you use?
So this is Afterglow by Iman Cosmetics. It has a highlighter and it has blushes in it with Reflex. And then my all-time favorite blush is Toasted Almond by Black Radiance. Okay. Alright, so we're just gonna lightly set underneath the eyes and the T-zone. For a look like this, I like using Danessa Myricks Evolution powders because they're really lightweight and they set the skin, but they do not look cakey or powdery. So you can't even tell, but it's really just locking in that product without looking heavy. The eye, you always want to blend out any creases because you don't want to set that. And just press the product in. I like to use a little at a time and build it up because I love to work in layers, and it avoids, you know, the makeup building up and looking heavy.
So, face is done. Almost. Almost.
Now let's go back.
And we're about to do eyes.
Look down. Now look at that. It's like the exact color. So I think we should add something lighter in the center. There.
And check her out on Instagram at MUA Tony Ann. I'll leave it on the screen for you guys and down below.
Yeah, we recorded a little mini tutorial, so it'll be there too.
Yes. So,
okay.
Some people tell me to do something. You see?
We're doing a girl's favorite part, right? Mascara. Isn't her bottom lashes life? I mean, beautiful.
I am blessed because
So we're gonna let that dry and add another coat. And this is what we have so far.
Check out the eyes, y'all.
Little sultry purple vibes.
Purple, don't mind my crusty hair, y'all, but
She can't.
are we glowing or are we glowing?
I have the glow spray, but I feel like we don't even need it. Like,
Are we sultry or are we sultry? It's very pretty.
I want to capture your video just like that. Say that too.
Are we glowing or are we glowing?
Yes, we are. You are gorgeous.
Thank you. You did this, honey.
Looking really you, yeah. Okay, no, that's
Look
cute.
at this skin. Look at my coloring. I match. Like I never match. If you guys watch my videos, you know you see like I have like a darker area right along my neck here, and I match, y'all. I don't look too yellow. I think I am my actual color here. Like obviously, like look at my, oops, sorry, décolleté area. Like I match. Did she do it? Did she do it? She did it. She did that. She did that. So I really look purple. Good for if I was going out somewhere. Going out. Or just, you know, every day. I'm not going to scare anybody. Not going to be like, where is she going? Looking like that at this hour. No.
So now we're just adding a little bit of powder just for it to last a bit longer. And of course you'll be on camera, and lights tend to make you look like oily and shiny in hot spots. So when you're recording or, you know, being filmed or stuff, you have to add a little bit of powder in certain areas so that you don't look oily.
Yes.
Even though you're not.
On my oily spots. Thank you so much.
You're so welcome. So beautiful. We're gonna create a super special summertime tutorial for you guys. Okay?
Yes.
Just wait for it.
And summer's coming finally, and I'm so happy. I wish y'all knew how much I love the summer.
And it'll be perfect for oily skin combination, and it's gonna be good for the summer, girl.
Yes.
Makeup lasts all day and looking fresh as ever. So
Yes.
just wait for it.
Bye, everybody.
You'll see me soon.
Yes. And follow her on Instagram at
MUA Tony Ann.
Yes, and I'll leave it right here for you somewhere over here so you can see it.
I hate that she's recording me because I look crusty, but it's okay. I'll have my makeup done next time though.
Go to her Instagram and see her face beat, okay?
Thank you.
All right. Bye, guys.